What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you some cool R&B stuff. The Spencer Davis group, Gimme Some Lovin'. And I guess most of us heard it the first time, or I did, from Blues Brothers, the movie. But this is the original. And this is in different key than Blues Brothers. It's in G, and I think it sits better in G. At least for this on acoustic guitar. So we got some cool stuff going on. The intro, where we want to do that slide, just hitting a G. Let's just play a G without the third here. So third finger and pinky, and mute the A string. Then we can grab the octave, the G, on 15th fret. And then the song kicks in with the keyboard. We're gonna play G, and while we're holding the G, we're gonna also add like a C. That's a great chord right there. It's used a lot. So keep that G that we learned, and then for the first and second finger, add first fret B string and second finger D string. Second fret. So it's like a C without the root. And it starts singing. Playing this. And then we got the pre-chorus, or it's part of the chorus. G to B flat, bar chord. So 6, 8, 8, 7. To C, 1, 2, 3, to E flat. So that's 6, 8, 8, 8. Here we're playing the same chords again, but we're not switching as fast. We're going G, E to C, G, give me some lovin', hey, give me some lovin', hey. Back to the intro. Verse. Switching faster. Pre-chorus. That's fun to play on acoustic guitar. Cool. Thanks, folks, for tuning in. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe, please. Thank you.